Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the horror version of Simon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a small curve, and then curve it up and out on both sides. Now for the ends, let's angle it back in, meeting at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the teeth. At the top, let's leave a gap and let's draw a line down. And then from the top, let's curve it up and out on both sides. And then a curve out at the bottom. And then a line down to close off the side of each tooth. Now to draw the next tooth, at the top, let's draw a curve up and out on both sides. Then let's bring it down. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's draw two more teeth on each side in the same way, getting smaller as we go. And lastly, for the gums, let's draw a curve up on both sides. And that's it for the top row. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom row. For the bottom row, let's draw a line down and then curve it out at the bottom. And then two angled curves at the top. And now let's close off the sides of the teeth. Now from the top, let's draw two curves out, then bring it down and curve it in. And then one more smaller tooth on both sides. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a point up in the center and one more on the right. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve down and in. And then underneath, let's draw two more curves down underneath the mouth. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's draw two curves inside near the top. Now let's hop down and in the center, let's draw two angles up. And then a small angle down on top. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the details to the head. On the sides of the head, let's draw two angles out meeting at a point. Now on the top left, let's draw two lines up. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's add a circle on top of each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start with two angled lines down and out. and then a line across at the bottom. And that's it for Horror Simon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!